say, this motherfucking pigeon just glitched like a motherfucker. I didn't even know it was a real damn pigeon, right? Then it unfroze. Nah, it ain't moving or nothing. And it got fucking numbers on his damn legs. Wake the fuck up. Escape from the Matrix. This motherfucker not moving like it's a real motherfucking bird would have been fucking flew. Poke it. What the fuck?
You snap back into reality, nigga.
Bro, like, what the fuck?
Nah, it got numbers on it.
Look, it's
The thing on the thing.
oh, and look at the numbers.
No,
on
I
it.
see it. I heard y'all when y'all said it.
Yeah, it ain't real. That's a drone bird. You have unplugged from the Matrix.
Yeah, that's
Hey, let me tell y'all. If I had a BB gun, yeah, y'all would be boom, 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 boom.
man.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
Y'all took a picture?